and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company Thomas Cook A330-200 in 1/200 scale. As you can see, this model is a snap fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required, as I will now demonstrate for you now. So first off, you want to take the fuselage or body of the plane and just snap the wings on like so. So just take the wing and just push it on. There you go. Switch to the other side and then push on the second wing, and there you have it. There are the wings on the fuselage. Now moving on to the tail, we'll be placing on the two vertical stabilizers, the two horizontal stabilizers and the one vertical stabilizer. So start with the vertical, again just push it in like so. And then for these also just push onto the sides. So there's one, and there is two. And there you have it, the Thomas Cook A330-200. Now let's look at some of the more details on it. As you can see, it's got the Thomas Cook logo and livery on it. You can see big Thomas Cook, the logo on the tail. You can see it says here Airbus A330, so you know the model of the plane. You can see things like here, we can see the flaps, the ailerons, the wing tips with little Thomas Cook logos on them. You can see the elevators, it's very nice. You can see all the windows and stuff. You can see, look, in the jet engines, you see the little designs inside. And now underneath there is no landing gear, but this model does come with a display stand, which is here. It's in two parts. It says Thomas Cook Airlines and Airbus A330, of course the model of the plane. They just fit together like so. And underneath, as you'll see, a little hole for the stand, which just pushes in. And there you have it, the Thomas Cook Airbus A330-200 in 1/200 scale. This model has a wingspan of about 30.15 centimeters and it's about 28.75 centimeters long, and it comes packaged in this little box here, which has a mock of the plane that you see there. You see it's the same one. So in we've got, of course, Thomas Cook Airlines, little logo, model of the plane again, and then we have some info of a real Airbus A330-200 with its length, its wingspan and its height. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.